Hello, this is the ClickUp All-in-One Solution series where we are exploring different features of ClickUp which make it an ultimate all-in-one solution. This is Aryan Shastogi from Agile Automate, and today we are going to explore ClickUp Timesheet feature. Every business owner knows this time tracking issue. Team members logging hours in one tool while actual work happens in another. Manual timesheet submissions that disappear into email chains. Billable hours lost because there is no proper approval process. Payroll headaches because time data lives scattered. The whole process may take a long time just because you don't remember properly what you have worked on a particular day. ClickUp Timesheets changes this. This is not just time tracking, this is the complete time management that connects directly to your actual work. The timesheet system, where every hour logged automatically links to the task, projects, and clients you're actually working on. Let's see what all it can do. Number 1. Integrated time tracking. Time logs automatically from task timers directly into timesheets. No duplicate entry, no missing hours. Everything you track appears instantly in organized weekly timesheets. Number 2. Smart approval workflows. Set up automated timesheet submissions with manager approval. Deadlines, reminders, and status tracking ensure everyone submits on time. Approved timesheets log automatically for audit compliance. Number 3. Billable time management. Mark time entries as billable or non-billable with client rates. Filter and export billable hours for accurate invoicing. Perfect for agencies and consultants who need precise client billing. Number 4. Capacity planning and insights. See team workload versus capacity in visual dashboards. Identify who is overloaded and who has availability. Historical data helps estimate future projects as well. It is very accurately designed. Number 5. Multiple views options. View timesheets by task, by date, by team member, or by project. Customize filters for billing type, time labels, and date ranges to get exactly the data you need. Number 6. Enterprise compliance. Complete audit trail with submission timestamps, approval history, and feedback tracking. Once approved, timesheets log to prevent historical changes.
Okay, so let's start this by understanding how we can put up the time into timesheet. Okay, so obviously there are two to three ways of doing it, but the most common way of doing and the best way to do it is to basically, in every kind of list you have this option called time track and time estimate. It helps in other ways also, like for workload analysis and other ways. And what you can do is, for example, if this is something you are working on. Okay, simply click on add time and add the time manually here, or you can simply start tracking the time, and whenever you end this task you simply just stop it, and that particular time would be added as a tracker in the timesheet. Okay, so it's really useful, it's really easy to do. So that is one way to do it. Then there is another way where you can simply click on track time and enter the time and then select the task. Okay, this is also very easy to do. Let's say it's like 2 hours, right? And then you can select the task, like from anywhere. Let's say for this one, okay, it's a normal dummy task, right? Obviously, and you can simply for 2 hours, and you can simply put a date and time, okay, and then you can simply save it, okay. So that particular time would be saved, okay, and you can also see the previous time tracked also, okay, in this then by just going down, okay. So I think this is another way of doing it, and this is also easy to do. And one thing I think I missed is this billable thing, and this is very important. So let's say if you want to tell your client like how much time it took for a particular task, you can simply add this as a billable thing. And while doing the review, obviously I will show you. You can see all the billable tasks and the time taken for that, and it can easily be done through that. And one more point to really understand here is that obviously you can make the task billable, but that there's one more thing called you can add the tags, and it will help you to filter while reviewing your timesheet. Okay, let's say put it as research. Okay, and we save it. Okay, so now I think let's go to the timesheet to see like what all we can see on the timesheet and how it can be really useful for us. So let's go to the timesheet. Okay, so these are the things that you have done. Okay, in the past 1 week, this is the kind of work that we have done, and this is all tracked. Okay, for October 1, it is there in total. We can see right on September 7. There's not any thing tracked. On October 1, it is more than 8 hours. Right, total capacity is 8 hours, but it is more than a track time. Billable is zero. Non-billable over capacity. You can see. So this same for every kind of work. Then there are other things also that you can do. So let's say we have put it as research, okay, and so this is the work that was under the research part only. If there are other tasks also, then it would have appeared here. And same for, let's say we want to see what all tasks are, let's say, billable or not billable. So we can simply come here and we can see, let's say, show billable only. So I think there's not any task that is billable here. Show non-billable means everything is non-billable. So we can see, that what all tasks are billable, what all tasks are non-billable. Okay, then for track time greater than or equal to, let's say we want to see for something which is greater than or equal to 2 hours. So we can see that. Okay, so these are all the tasks that are equal. So these are the filters, obviously, and these are really useful, and this can help to generate the report according to what you want, and then you can obviously go there, and then you can also check all the time entries. Obviously, this will show in one visual like what will happen and when did it happen. Okay, so the start time, end time. Okay, so it will show. You can say you have double clicked on the particular task and you can see the start time, end time, and what is the description, everything at one place. So this is also something that is that will help you to get the overall view and understanding. Then one more thing, okay, so you can also check, let's say this is the timesheet, okay, and okay, so one more thing to say here is that we can submit this timesheet for approval, obviously, but I'm the admin, I think, so I'm not getting that option, and you will, like, if somebody has submitted the timesheet and I'm the manager, then I will get it here and I can check and review their timesheets, and then I can, either basically close that for them, approve their timesheet, or basically I can send it back for revision. Okay, so it is up to the manager or whoever is looking into the timesheets, right? So yeah, so this in a way is super useful. I will the reason behind that is that your timesheet is connected to your task directly. You can track the time easily. You can see what is the time estimate for that, and then overall your task directly come here. You can see for each task what is the time that has been given. One of the most important things is that that if you really want to show what are the billable tasks here, and you want to basically send it to the client, you can simply come here and you can select it from here and you can send this report to your client. Okay, and this in a way would create a transparency between you and the client, and it will be easy to track for you as well as for the client as well. So yeah, I think this in a way has reduced a lot of headache that generally happens between the client and you and your team as well, and this helps to increase the productivity of you as well as your team by a lot. So yeah, okay, thank you.
So this is how the modern businesses can eliminate the time tracking chaos. Your timesheets become your business intelligence tools that connect time data directly to your project profitability, team capacity, and client billing accurately. Everything flows from real work to accurate reporting. I hope you have learned something from this video. If yes, subscribe to this channel. We'll come up with the other important features of ClickUp in the next few parts in this video series. And if you need support in the business optimization and automation, please click on the link in the description and book a call with us. We help businesses transform their operations, save their valuable time and money using ClickUp, and automation, AI tools, and proven systems and habits frameworks. Stay tuned for the next set of videos, and until then, stay productive.